There's no questions. Okay, examples. We have the first example. We have a person and we have an object. We have a force. This is the force which is it given? Yes, it is given. It's 200 newtons. Phi. I name this angle phi. I can do that. So phi or theta, this is equal, phi is equal to 25 degrees. And the object is moving from x equals 0 to x equal to the dash 5 meters. This is x final, this is initial. So delta x is equal to 5 minus 0, which is 5 meters. Okay, what is the work? Simply F S or x, you can name it. The distance, you can name it as you like. Sometimes you name it d, distance. Cosine 25. This will be equal to 200. 5 cosine 25, it is not sure here. Cosine 25, this is equal to 907.3 joules. It is positive because the angle is 9. Any question about it? It is very direct. We have a relation, we have numbers, we need to put the numbers after understanding the problem. Okay, now we have another example. We have a friction here. We have an object. We have a weight of that object, which is equal mg. It will be equal to 19.6. The mass is 2, I think. Yes. We have the normal force. The friction force is to this direction because the force is acting to this direction, which is equal to 100 meters. Okay, what is the question about? What is the work for each force? Okay, the work is the friction force is given. Friction force is 15 newtons. The distance S is equal to 0.8 meters. I name it S, not X. It's okay. Okay, we need the work done by each force. So the work done by the force, this force, the applied force, it is the object starting moving, right? In this direction. It is 100, which is the force. I'll use the same relation. The distance is 0.8. What is the theta of motion between the x and f in this case? How much theta? The force to this direction. The motion to the same direction. Theta is 0. So this will be equal to 80, I think, joules. Because cosine theta is 0, is 1. What about the work done by the friction force? It is, the force is 15. The distance 0.8. Cosine. How much theta now? The motion to this direction. The force is to the opposite direction. Theta between them is 180. It is -1. This is -1. It is not 1 as cosine 0. This will be equal to 12, I think. -12 joules. The normal force, the weight force, whatever they equal to, because the angle between them, between the normal force and the distance is 90. Cosine 90 is 0. The angle between the weight and the distance is 270. or minus 90. It's okay. The work is again is equal to 0.